Hi guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. You think too much when you draw. And let me explain what I mean by that. Obviously, you should think when you draw. I don't think it's even possible to not think when you draw. Well, but some people think a little bit too much, just a little bit too much. You're trying to be a little bit too clever, a little bit too smart, and you are not at the moment because you are not trained enough to be that smart. You don't even have to be. You missed the point. You miss the point sometimes. So, our mind, our perception of things is not perfect. The way our brain translates everything is not perfect. Often, very often, people who draw who are not professionals, like completely 100% professionals, they can draw anything, and I don't even think there is a person like this. They will try to draw too complicated, with every muscle, every bone, everything being seen, and not every detail is seen, and not every detail is the way you think it is. Although you look at it, but your brain has a weird way of perceiving things. You need to learn how to perceive things. So for example, I'll make an example for you because I don't want you to be lost, because I understand that I might be a little bit chaotic, maybe chaotic. But who isn't? Which artist isn't chaotic? Like, come on. This is an example. I'll show you an example somewhere here on the screen. A simple arm, a simple hand, like not hand, just an arm, like the muscle. Like I'll draw this. I'll draw this. I'll show you. Have you seen that? This is an artist muscle. This is an artist biceps, and this is this is an artist's arm. Do you see how much muscle? It's hard, really. It is. And I don't do anything from it. I draw with this hand, so it's not even from drawing. It's literally, I don't know where it came from. I'll draw it and I'll show you the examples. And overcomplicate. Wait, this is right for me, so this will be left for you, and we right from the left. So this is an overcomplicated arm. Overcomplicated arm that doesn't need to be complicated, but you make it too complicated, although it's not your intention, because if you watch my channel, you probably don't draw like 100% realistic. Not many people draw 100% realistic. You will be stylizing at least a little bit all the time. It doesn't matter what kind of semi-realism cartoon you go, what kind of level of it, you will stylize at least a little bit. So this is overcomplicated arm, and this is a perfect simple arm. It looks good. It is stylized. It is changed a little bit. I did change some things. I didn't draw it yet, but I guess I will change it. I have it in my head. And artists, they go for this option. I don't know why. Why? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for hitting you in your head, but I hope it helped you a little bit. It's because I love you. I do it because I love you. Okay, anyway, I will show you on the screen what to do, what to look at when you want to draw, I'll show you now on the screen. Now we will go to my iPad screen, which I will record in a second. What do you need to do if you want to draw beautiful, easier drawings? And by the way, I wanted to show you an example. Do you remember, guys? Did you watch my video about rating and reacting to TikTok tutorials? There was one tutorial which had a perfect, easy, good-looking body, good-looking butt. It was a butt from the front. I don't know, the front butt. And they said it was wrong, and they changed it to something overcomplicated and not even right. That's pretty good. What's wrong with that one? So what this person did just now is making the second drawing lose its dynamic, because you want to give those kind of realistic shapes. Like, we know there's some structure to this area, like the butt front area, the front butt. Okay, so let's go to my iPad. First thing I'm going to show you is the way people do it, the way beginning artists do it. Overcomplicated, unnecessary. I'll try my best, okay? I'll still try my best. So I will use guidelines, okay? So it will be accurate. Do you see my beautiful biceps? Oh my god. I made it too big, I know. I'll make it smaller, don't worry. Let's make it too complicated. Too complicated. With every little detail. Oh. Okay, so this is the hand I just drew, and no, it's not perfect. It's not really that accurate because I didn't really take my time as much, you know? It doesn't look that good. I know that there's some issues. I can like liquefy it to make it better so you can have a better comparison. Okay, I'll do it. So this is what it will look like with every little detail, unnecessary detail, you know. And now I'll show you what it will look like when you just make it stylized, when you don't think too much. A lot of straight lines. You need to use a lot of straight lines and think about the composition more, not about the details, about the bigger picture, about the bigger pieces, bigger shapes, whole composition, you know. The most important lines also, like this, going thinner, like, you know, like this a little bit. And this also being thinner. Little bump, a little bit bump right here, but not making it too difficult, and just going straight into here. Not making this bump also, not necessary. Also making the fingers just easier, more dynamic. A lot of really straight lines. And this hand took me like, I think, twice as fast because it's easier to draw. When you learn how to stylize, when you learn how to make things easier, everything will be so much easier. You can add a little line here, but it's not necessary. It actually looks better like this. And this, in my opinion, to be honest, doesn't look better. So to be fair, just like the previous one, I will change this a little bit. And we are done. This looks so much better than the previous one. It's just easier. It's simpler. It's just stylized, you know. Stylized is better. You can use eraser to like make some shapes. If you want to add some details, you can do it now with an eraser to show some of the bumps, for example. Make my biceps a little bit bigger, you know. But always start with easy shapes. Let's compare. And I know they are not really perfect. Like, I'm not an amazing artist when it comes to anatomy, but still, like, this will always be harder. Thinking too much is always harder, and this always looks better. Look how much more definition, how much better composition. Although I took more time, and I took more time also to correct it with the liquify, it still just doesn't look as good as this one. And I didn't do it on purpose. I really tried my best with both of those. Really. I hope you understand. I hope it's pretty clear. And yeah. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you learned something. I hope it was helpful. Sorry again about the book and about the thing. I hope you don't get angry at me. But if you are, let it all out. tell me in the comments. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and you are the best for watching my channel, supporting my channel. And if you want to support my channel even more, go on my website aliciaprince.com and buy my brushes. They are amazing. Actually, don't buy them to support my channel. Buy them because they are amazing. Like, come on, they are the highest point of art I ever did. They are those brushes. I love those brushes. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Oh, and subscribe. Or can you subscribe? Like, okay. Bye.